guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we are going through my spring wish list, spring things that I've started buying and I am lusting over. I'm really feeling like the winter blues are really hitting me hard this year. No, I'm just kidding. I love the winter, but once it like snows for a while, then I'm like, okay, we're done. So let's start talking about spring. I feel like my wish list videos, I've done a couple of them, have been kind of late to the game, which is why I wanted to start now, and I've already started picking stuff up. So let's talk about things that I'm lusting after, things that I've already purchased. Let's go through it. I always have a wish list on my phone. I think it's the easiest way to keep my like impulse shopping at bay. Kind of. So let's get into it. The first one being white denim, white jeans. I recently just picked up a pair from Levi's. I will throw them up on the screen. I have been obsessed with the Levi's 501 denim. It's like real, like rigid denim, no stretch. It has truly become my favorite pair of jeans. I now own them in 4 different colors. I have a dark, like a medium wash, a light wash, and now I have white. And I'm about ready to throw out all my other jeans because I love the way these fit. I love the way they hit on me, and I'm super excited to have them in my collection. So that was a no-brainer for me. So when Levi's, whenever they do a sale, that's when I stock up on Levi's. Don't ever buy them full price. So this was on my wish list for a while. It's really easy to find white denim that's stretchy, but I didn't want that. I specifically wanted like a rigid denim. So that was my #1 wish list, and I have checked it off. The next one is honestly proven to be quite difficult, which is a yellow, oversized, like pastel yellow sweater. I did find one from Target. I'll put everything on the screen for you, like I always do. And everything, in case you're looking for anything similar, links in the description box to the things that I mentioned. So I saw this one at Target, and honestly, I've really been trying to focus on like more natural fibered sweaters. So like, please, Quince, if you're hearing this, come out with a yellow sweater, please. But I really do like the color of this one. It's almost borderline like a very muted yellow. But I did see this one at Topshop at Nordstrom. I saw it online. I haven't checked it out in store. It's on my list to check out. So I'm gonna go in store and kind of like feel it and see what I think about it. It's a cable knit, which wasn't what I necessarily wanted, but I'm curious to see. But I just cannot find good yellow sweaters that are like $200, you know what I mean? So I'm on the hunt for like an oversized, baggy yellow sweater. I just think it would look so cute with like a patterned short, denim shorts, anything, a white jeans. I just think yellow is my favorite color. I never thought I looked good in yellow, but gone are those days. I don't care. I just love yellow. So I am on the hunt for an oversized yellow sweater. I've been having the idea of wanting green sneakers for a hot minute. I bought a pair back in like, I think September, from Gola, and they just weren't the right size, and I really liked them, but I didn't love them. But they came out with a different color, like this matcha color, which I think is way prettier than the other one I was looking at. And they were out of my size, and then when I was looking for this video, they're back in my size. And I got the notification because I signed up for the notifications. But then I found a pair from Adidas that I think I like even more. It has that like light minty green, but it also has that like bright sort of vibrant green. Unfortunately, I bought the wrong size, so I'm trying to sell them. So if you're interested in them and you're like a 7.5 shoe, check out my Poshmark, because they run big. I would say a 7.5. I'm like a 6.5, 7, and these fit like a 7.5, UK 5.5. So if you're looking for them, I will have my Poshmark link down below if you would like to buy them, because sending it back will be a nightmare, but I'll do what I gotta do. So I already reordered the Adidas in the correct size. I think these will be cute with like white dresses, white skirts, white sneakers. I just have realized I'm a denim girl, so like, or I'm a sneaker girl, so like getting a pair of colorful sneakers is something that I will wear because I love them. Next thing going along with the white theme is white linen pants. I have white linen shorts, but I want like a very like trousery white linen short. I want very much like a gauze sort of like bungee tied, little pair of linen pants. I think this is something that I'm significantly missing. And I used to not want linen because it's pretty see-through, but you know what? I don't care. And I just love that sort of like oversized, careless sort of, I don't know, white, clean, crispy. I'm here for it. I feel like a pair of linen pants, I'm either gonna do the J. Crew or Hutton on, I haven't decided which ones, with like the green sneakers and then like a white linen button up, like a white linen set, and then like a yellow sweater over the shoulders with green sneakers. Oh, and a chunky charm necklace. Oh, or a trucker hat. Oh, I'm a dork. But I'm super excited about that. That's like my vision. Okay, next being a green cardigan. I have been on the wait list for Cezanne's cardigan, either the Emily cardigan or the, is it the Jasper cardigan in green. There's one that's like garden green and the other one's like bright green or something like that. I want these so bad. I've been on the waiting list since November. Still nothing. As soon as it opens up, I am getting them. I'm thinking more, leaning more towards the Jasper over the Emily, because I like how you can wear it front and back. But I think that style of cardigan is my absolute favorite style, the one that buttons all the way up and it's not like a V, and I just love the green. I'm obsessed. Green is my favorite color, but especially going into spring, it's like everything. Okay, I'm feeling a little crafty nowadays, okay? So I have this vision in my mind. I've seen quilted jackets everywhere. Free People has one, but I don't want the same one that everyone has. And then you can buy a bunch of like knockoffs on Amazon and all of that. But again, I don't like them. So be careful. If a quilted coat, if you know what I mean, like a quilt patchwork coat, if it's like under $200 to $300, it is not a genuine like made quilted coat. So I think I'm gonna be thrifting and I'm gonna kind of create my own patchwork little quilted coat. It is on my just like I want list, so I think I'm gonna try doing it myself before I spend $300 on Etsy. I understand the time, the energy, and the materials cost a lot, but I think that will be just so cute and just so, I don't know, my style. I love it. So I definitely want one of those. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can make it work. I have a sewing machine, so I don't know why that makes me think I'm qualified. It doesn't, but anyway, next up on my wish list is more trucker hats. I think on my, what was it, my winter wish list or something, I had mentioned this one right here, Cowboy Caviar trucker hat, and I love this and I want more. I want more, okay? I'm a baseball cap girl. I have what, 3 or 4 different colored canvas ones, and there's a couple that are on my wish list that I think are just really cute. Not all of them are trucker hats. Some of them are like, what are they called? 5-panel or flat brim, whatever. I have a couple that I've really been interested in. I love hats. I think they're cute. I think they're fun. I think they really kind of just add to an outfit. So yeah, and I'm a pretty plain dresser normally, so I think a fun hat will complete my spring outfits this year. Okay. Next is something that I've already done, okay? I've already crafted. And if you're on the TikTok, the Instagram, you know charm bracelets are all, or charm necklaces are all the rage. I made this like a couple weeks ago, I think, and I got all the charms from Hobby Lobby. And it's so stinking fun and cute, and I'm obsessed. I made 2 of them. And I love them. If you're not crafty, that's fine. They really are fun, but if you're not going to make multiple, then it might just be worth buying them, because the 2 of these together cost me $90. I guess $90 isn't terrible, but I did find some on Etsy that are a much better price. So I think they're fun. I think they add spice to an outfit, and I'm excited and I want a charm bracelet now, but I think it's a cool way to just, I don't know, I'm not normally a necklace girl, but I think it's a cool way to kind of, yeah, add interest, and just, they were so much fun to make. So I'm excited to be wearing my charm necklaces all into the spring. And if you're curious, check out the trend. Check out Hobby Lobby if you're crafty yourself. I think Michael's, I think Amazon, everybody has like different charms, but if you're not, Etsy's got you, girl. Okay, the last 3 are more like trends over items. So the first one being Peplum styled things. I didn't think I'd be into this and don't get me wrong, okay? I'm not into like bodycon Peplum, because we all had those shirts, dresses that like, not that. I'm talking like flowy Peplum, just a little bit of like baby doll peplum situation. I'm here for it. I think it's super cute and I love it. I love a bigger oversized top with like jeans. I think it's classy, I think it's cute, and yeah, I'm into that, into like pastel ones, white ones, I don't know, but I'm into this whole like peplum kind of top, and I know I'm gonna wear a ton of it during the spring. It'll be like my top with just jeans go-to. Next trend I'm really all about is embroidery. Embroidery from like this, oh, this vest. I just purchased this vest on Amazon today. I think it's super cute. I envision wearing this with like a button up or, I don't know exactly. It's up here. I want it though, and I think it's so cute. The other embroidered piece I just recently picked up, these were on sale for like $30 on Converse. They're slightly small, but I'm gonna like stretch the heck out of them. These are adorable. They've got these embroidered little like flowers on them, and I'm obsessed with like a tan canvas. And like, they're just like some, I don't know, some different design, but I love them. So embroidery, when it comes to clothing, when it comes to shoes, like even like all the hats, like the embroidered details, I don't know what it is, but I'm really into like the embroidery thing. I think I want a denim jacket with embroidery on it for the spring. Yeah, that leads me to my next though, denim. Denim tops. I am all for it. I got this top from Target like a couple months ago, and I have worn the heck out of it, and I can only see myself wearing it more into the spring, over the top of things, unbuttoned, buttoned, all the things, obsessed. And then I also just got this little cute top. This is more like leaning into the end of spring, early summer. This super cute top from Hello Molly, but I'm just really into denim. Okay, I am all for denim tops, and I'm excited to see yeah, which other ones I pick up. But that's it, you guys. That is my spring wish list. Not too crazy, but some fun stuff. And I don't know, I'm curious, what are you picking up for spring to kind of add to your wardrobe? I always like to kind of assess what I have in my current wardrobe, and to be honest with you, I really have a capsule for the most part, and I bring out the trendier pieces that I keep in storage and see if I'm still keeping them. But I know all the pieces that are on my wish list are gonna go great with the wardrobe that I already have, and I'm so excited for spring. So if you are in the middle of your winter blues, your little slump, try creating a spring wish list. Look up inspiration. Pinterest is my favorite. But I've had a lot of fun just kind of slowly picking up pieces, so that way you don't feel like, I don't know, you're rushed at the end or whatever. I don't know. It's fun for me to kind of browse and create wish lists, and I can like hold out for the perfect thing. Do your research. I love it. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed my little spring wish list, spring what I'm buying, what I've already bought. And please, what are you buying? I need to know. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. And let me know if you are ready for spring content. Tell me in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Are you ready for me to just skip winter and move into spring? Because I'm here for it. I love you guys. Bye.